Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mission Viejo local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a fully licensed moving company in Mission Viejo with over 2 decades of experience serving satisfied customers with every moving service they'll need. From packing to unpacking, you won't have anything to worry about when you work with us. To get the moving day off to the best possible start, our Mission Viejo movers will pack your belongings and keep them safe for the trip with protective packaging. The free quotes we offer let customers breathe a sigh of relief that they'll be getting high-quality service at an affordable price. Get your move done right with 3 Movers. Finding a reliable, insured, and safe Mission Viejo moving company and moving long distances is a big leap forward. A new job, a new school for the kids, and a new neighborhood are all part of what makes moving into your new home an exciting adventure. Packing and getting your belongings there, though? You'd rather skip that part. A long-distance move is nothing we can't handle. Our movers will pack your belongings and keep them safe for the trip with protective packaging. Starting fresh in a new home or office in your local area is all you need to step forward into a new chapter. Even for a move around the block, you still can't skip the part of having to pack and move your things. 3 Movers specializes in local moves. In just one day, our expert movers in Mission Viejo will get you packed and unpacked into your new space, leaving you plenty of time to celebrate in the evening after we are all finished. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mission Viejo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.